Welcome to all in lecture series of PPCM. In our previous lecture we study about the CPM system and advantage of AON system over AOA system. Now our CPM theory part is over. Here we have seen one problem based on the CPM theory part, and here in one problem we cover all part which we learn in the theory. So let's see. Calculate EST, EFT, LST, LFT. EST is the earliest start time, EFT is the earliest finish time, LST is the latest start time, and LFT is the latest finish time. FT is the total float, FF is the free float, and FID is the interference independent float. Okay, so here we have given one network and this is the diagram. With the help of this diagram we have to calculate this. So let's start. Here I already find all values, but how we find these values, here we discuss that part. Before finding the EST, EFT and LST, you have to find the earliest occurrence time and latest arrival time. Means you have to find TE and TL. With the help of this TE and TL you find the EST, LFT and LST. So here I take one activity and rest of the activity you have to solve. Here I already solve in the table form. You solve and match your answer with our table, which is I write here. So let's take activity 1 2. Okay, activity 1 2. So this is the starting point and this is the end point for the activity 1 2, and here we have given expected time is 10. So at starting point TE is equal to 0. At starting point T is equal to 0, and at 2 T is equal to 10. You know the formula, TEI plus TIJ. This is the formula for the finding earliest occurrence time. So at this point T is equal to 0. So at this point T is equal to 10. So in this way you have to find the earliest occurrence time. Okay. Now after finding the earliest occurrence time, you have to find the latest allowable time. For that you have to start from back side. So for example, if here I get T is equal to 42, that means TL is equal to also 42. So here I start with this. So here at 8 TL is equal to 42. So at 7 TL is equal to 42 minus 12, that means 30. So at 7 TL value is 30. So you have to find this value according to this procedure. And if you not know how you find the T and TL, so you have to please watch our previous lectures. In that lecture I already tell you about that part. Okay, so in this way we have to find the TL and TE. So let's I show you the network, final network diagram, because in this I have write the TE and TL value, so you understand how you find the TL and TE value. So here you know t is equal to 0 because it is the starting point. At 2 t is equal to 10. So first of all you have to find the earliest occurrence time, because in earliest occurrence time you have to go in a forward direction. After finding this value you have to start from back side and find the latest occurrence time. Okay, so here I got TL is equal to 52. So TL 52 minus 12, here I get 40. Now 7 to we go to 6. So 40 minus 6 is 34. 6 to 5, 34 minus 8, 26. 5 to 4, 26 minus 8, 18. Like that you have to find the value of TL. Okay, now after finding the T and TL, we easily find the value of EST, EFT, LFT and LST. Okay, so let's see how we find the value of EST and EFT and LST and LFT. So activity 1 and 2. Okay, duration is 10. We know that duration is 10. Okay, and EST we have to find. So let's see in our final diagram how we find the EST and LST and EFT. So first of all we see this activity. We know that EST is equal to 0 because EST is equal to TEI. EST is equal to TEI. So EST is equal to 0. EFT is nothing but TEI plus TIJ, means this value is the EFT. Sorry, this value is the EFT, earliest finish time, and this value is the EST. So EST is equal to 0 and EFT is equal to 10. Now we have to find LST and LFT. So here you seen we have find EST is equal to 0 and EFT is equal to 10. So let's find LST and EFT. So again we have seen this activity. Here we have TL is equal to 18 and TL 0. So TL 18 is our LFT, latest finish time. So here see LFT is 18. Okay, here LFT is 18 because LFT is equal to TLJ and LST is equal to TLJ minus TIJ. So TLJ is 18 and TIJ is 10, means 18 minus 10, here we get 8. So LST value is 8. So let's see, LST value is 8. So in this manner we have find the EST, EFT, LST and LFT. Now we have to find the total float, free float and independent float. So we know that total float is equal to LST minus EST. LST minus EST we already discussed in our previous lecture. This is the formula for finding the total float. So here we have LST is 8 and EST is 0. So 8 minus 0, here I got 8 as a answer. So in this manner we have find the total float for all activities. Now we have to find the free float. So free float, we have one formula which I discussed in our previous lecture, that is FT minus SJ, and you know that SJ is nothing but TLJ minus TEJ. So if I talk about activity 1 and 2, so let's see, this is our activity 1 and 2 and Sj is equal to TLJ minus TJ. So this is our J part, so TLJ is 18 and TJ is 10, means here I got Sj is equal to 8. Okay, Sj is equal to 8. So Sj is equal to 8 and Ft is equal to 8. So Ff is equal to Ft minus Sj, that means 8 minus 8. So here I got 0 as a answer. So in this manner you have to find the free float of all activities. Now we have to find the last, that is the independent float. So in independent float we have one formula, that is FID is equal to free float minus SI. SI means slack of I activity. Now let's see, this is the I activity, this is our I activity, and we know that TLI minus TEI for SI. So here I got 0 minus 0, that means 0. Okay, so here I got 0. Now we know that free float is 0. So free float is 0, that means FID is 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So FID is 0. So in this manner we find the independent float, and for all activities we have find this float. Okay, so in this way we have to find the EST, LFT, LST, EFT, FT, FF and FID. For that you have to require TE and TL, that means earliest occurrence time and latest allowable time. In question you have given this network only, means you have to find TE and TL. After finding the TE and TL you have to find this value, EST, EFT, LST, LFT and all types of float. So you remember that point, TE and TL value is not given, only you have given expected time. TE and TL value you have to find. After finding the TE and TL value you have to find this EST, EFT, LST, LFT and all types of float. Okay, so after finding this table, you have to draw this network. This is our final network. Got it? So this problem is over, guys. We meet with another topic in our next lecture. Thank you.